I tell everybody that I drive a school bus and I transport the most valuable cargo in the world, your kids.
Our bus drivers are so important. They are the first smile that every student sees in the morning. And once they're on the bus, they know they're going to get to school safe.
It's a joy to transport these kids. Every morning, I look forward to seeing these kids when they come up on that stairwell.
How happy they are to see the bus, how happy the family members are to see their kids excited about coming to school. It just brings a great joy to my day. I have an impact on not only the children's lives, on their parents' lives, knowing that somebody is there that also cares about their kids and cares about their education and safety.
Hey, Lo, give me a blow up. Hey, Lo.
Hi, Mom.
You have a good day? Yeah.
It's amazing having my kids on the bus with me. I am so comfortable because I know that they're making it to school safely every day. And I don't have to worry about if they got to school on time or if they got home safe. And it's more convenient not having to drive them to school in the morning. Like, this is the best job I've ever had. Like, the best.
You don't have to have any prior skill set to coming in, just a driver's license. Many people think that driving a bus is too hard for them. And I, for one, have always driven a little car. And so I was real nervous, but you come in here and you get plenty behind the wheel experience. We train you completely start to finish. You take a written test and then you take a driving test. We don't send you for your test until you're fully comfortable. As a new bus driver, you get guaranteed hours a day, very competitive pay. We have bumped up our pay enough to where it beats out every district around us in hopes to get the best candidates for our district. Even though it's technically part-time hours, you'll get like full-time employee benefits. You'll have the opportunity of driving field trips. If you have a family member, a son, a daughter that belongs to a special group, you get to go with them on their trips while you get paid.
I think this is the best way that you can serve your community and the youth of our community. And I would encourage anyone to come and drive a school bus.
Apply today because you are going to love driving a bus for GISD.